Okay, so if you're watching this video, it's because you are having issues with today's assignment. So we're going to walk through the steps for solving a volume of a pyramid, and then we're going to work two examples, a rectangular pyramid and a triangular pyramid, for you to get help, or for it to be easier for you. So first of all, I'm not going to write the formula. You can find this on your reference chart, so I want to make sure that you're using your reference chart to find your formulas. But we are going to go through what does the V stand for in this formula. So the V is going to stand for volume. Oops. Okay. The capital B stands for what? Yes, area of the base. And then the H stands for height. All right. So now that you know what each letter stands for in your formula, it should be a little bit easier. So in order to solve for volume of pyramids, the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to shade your base. And second step is going to be to write the formula. Remember, this is the WTF part. Sorry, guys. The third step is going to be to find the area of the base. And step 4 is going to be to substitute or plug in. Substitute in your numbers. Okay. And step 5 would be to solve. Okay. It's kind of... Alright. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to solve the first one. So we're going to start by shading our base. Okay. So it's a rectangular pyramid. So that means our base shape is a rectangle. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and shade our base, and it's going to be that bottom rectangle. Remember, when we say rectangle, it can be a actual rectangle or a square. Okay. So we're going to find the area of a rectangle, and that formula for that is, yes, A equals base times height. Okay. So now we're going to substitute in our numbers. So we have our base of our rectangle, which is 3, times the height of our rectangle, which is 2. So you just go ahead and multiply those two, right? 3 times 2, 6. So this here is your big B. So you're going to go over to your formula for volume of a pyramid, which is V equals 1/3 base times height. And you're going to take this and you're going to plug it into your capital B. So your answer your equation should now read V equals 1/3 6 times the height of the pyramid. And remember, your height is always going to be the measurement from the base to the top point of your pyramid. So the height of that is 5. So I'm going to go ahead and do, I think it was this one, 1/3 times 6. So 1/3 times 6 is 2. 1/3 of 6 is 2. Times 5, which gives me 10. Okay. You could have also done it as V equals 1/3 6 times 5. Cap your 1/3 and done 6 times 5, just 30. So 1/3 of 30, which is 30 divided by 3, is 10. Either way works. Okay. So this is for a rectangular pyramid. So we're going to go ahead and move on for our triangular pyramid. So again, this is a triangular pyramid. So that means that our base shape is going to be a triangle. Correct. Okay. So that means we're going to go ahead and shade in our base. A triangle. Okay. So we're going to use our formula for area of a triangle, which is, correct, 1/2 base times height. So we're going to plug in the base of our triangle, which is 8, and the height of our triangle, which is 6. So again, here you can do 1/2 times 6. Sorry, not times 6, times 8. So 1/2 of 8 is 4, correct? So 4 times 6, 24. So again, this is our big B. So we're going to go ahead and write in our formula over here. And we're going to take this big B and plug it in here. 1/3 times 24 times the height of the pyramid. Again, remember your height, it goes from the base of the pyramid to the top point. So your height is 10. So you're going to go ahead and solve. So V equals 1/3 of 24. So 24 divided by 3. Or what number times 3 gives you 24? 8 is correct. So 8 times 10. V equals 80. And of course, you could have done it this like previously, 1/3, 24 times 10, which would have been V equals 1/3 times 240. And then you would have had to divide 240 by 3. And it gives you 80 still. Because 3 goes into 24 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. You subtract that. Gives you 0. You bring down your 0. 3 goes into 0. 0 times. Okay. So hopefully these two helped you. If you still need more help, go ahead and raise your hand so your teacher can help you. But these should be the steps that you should be taking to solve, of course, unless it's asking you to work backwards to find a missing measurement, or it already gives you the area of the base and the height. Then that's just, you just simply plug in your numbers for those. Okay.